mother of fucking mercy. Would you take a sledgehammer to my balls?
No, that's just the incision where I inserted the stent. You're gonna feel a little tenderness.
Okay, almost there. Easy.
You should just use the bedpan next time.
I'm not a cat. I don't shit in a box.
You have to watch your heart.
My heart's fine. When I get out of here, we're going to a discotheque. You and me.
Discotheque.
What's so funny?
Mr. Soprano, I'm Michael McLuhan from the U.S. Marshal Service, here to reattach your electronic bracelet.
They give you the important jobs, huh?
Excuse me. Your name's really McLuhan?
Right.
So that makes you Marshal McLuhan.
That's right.
Well, what's the fucking joke?
All right, now you may feel some pressure in your chest, but that'll go away as the blood flow to the heart increases. Now just stay in bed, plenty of fluids. I'll get you home tomorrow.
Lucky fucking me.
Sandwich or something?
Did you hear me with my balls? Who can fucking eat?